Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by testing and softening the residue. Use a hair dryer on low heat to warm the adhesive for 20-30 seconds. This loosens bond without damaging paint. Once done, gently rub with a clean microfiber cloth in one direction to lift softened film. If residue resists, switch to a clean rubber eraser and stroke lightly. The eraser captures tacky bits rather than smearing them. Make sure to stop at any sign of paint lifting and reassess. Once most film is gone, move to cleaning and dissolving residual oils. Mix mild dish soap and water and wipe the area to remove loosened adhesive. This prevents smearing. If sticky patches remain, dab 70% isopropyl alcohol onto a cotton swab and test, then work outward in light strokes. Alcohol dissolves adhesive without heavy abrasion. Once removed, rinse with a damp microfiber cloth to remove solvent traces and blot dry to prevent water spots. Make sure to ventilate when using alcohol. You finish by restoring the surface. Apply a small amount of polish suitable for the material and buff gently to reinstate sheen and protection. Once done, inspect at different angles. If the finish looks dull, reapply a thin layer of wax or protective polish and buff again to blend. If adhesive persists after 2 gentle solvent attempts or if paint peels or softens, stop and consult a professional. Continuing risks more damage. One tip: always start gentler and escalate slowly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.